All right. So let's look down a little bit more on this. So here's what Coinbase has as its description. Coinbase is building the crypto economy, a more fair, accessible, efficient, and transparent financial system enabled by crypto. The company started in 2012 with the radical idea that everyone, anywhere, should be able to easily and securely send and receive Bitcoin. Today, we offer a trusted and easy to use platform for accessing the broader crypto economy. So they started off with a very simple thing, Bitcoin, and they've expanded it. Here's some company highlights: 56 million verified users, decent bit. Like 1/5 of the U.S. population, essentially population-wise. 335 billion quarterly volume traded. Now that's not sales, but they're taking fees on that 335 billion, and I think it's like a 2% fee or something. So, 223 billion is the market cap of assets on the platform. 100 plus countries, so trying to reach global scale. They have definitely some competitors. Binance is bigger on the global market. A lot of the ones we know of, them and Gemini and some of these, are more US based. So they've got a long way to go, but the total addressable market is enormous. Not to mention here, there's still a ton of people who haven't really gotten into crypto. I'm still like, you get some financial incentive for getting people to get onto Coinbase, and I get people that have dabbled in it, and those are probably people that have dabbled in it are even rare compared to people that aren't in it. So, I mean, there's just so many people who haven't really gotten into this at all. I think of myself as being pretty up on things, and I just really got into it. And it's a result of me interviewing somebody that does Bitcoin mining and being like, man, there's really something to this. And that's why I love this podcast, is it really teaches me things. I love what I do, and it just pushes me further into the rabbit hole. And I want to explore things when I kind of get that door cracked open a little bit. And you can always trust me to do that. I'm always going to do more research when I discover a new topic, especially something that people are interested in. There are 1,700 plus employees. They've got an earnings call that was in 406. That was before the IPO. So you can watch that webcast and see how their earnings were going into this IPO. Let's see. They have so many tools. This is one thing I love about them, is for learning, education, understanding. You can earn free crypto. I earned like $37, I think, in free crypto just learning about crypto. Like synthetics or all these different little crypto tokens. You can watch a video or do a quiz or something, and you can earn some. And those sell for US dollars, but I like holding them. So I did not just sell out of them. It gives you like news and stuff in the app, so anything like related to the crypto, it tells you news and stuff. So the main products, they have the main Coinbase products, and then they have, like I said, they do trading with Coinbase Pro. They have the wallet, and they have gotten into doing a lot with big corporations that are seeking to put it on their balance sheet. So, let's see. Let's go into Coinbase products. Okay. Here shows, like, this is a whole list of a lot of the cryptocurrencies, and they carry a lot of these. All the ones with trade next to that, those are ones that they actually carry. So you can see there's a good bit. Like I said, they do a lot of research into them, and there's reasons that they have them on their platform, and they're always adding new ones. They added like 4 cryptos last couple weeks. So one that I was following a lot called Engine, that has to do with NFTs. Oh, also with their crypto wallet, it's kind of like MetaMask. You can trade cryptos, and this is outside of the Coinbase exchange. You can trade cryptos like Ethereum cryptos, and you have to pay a gas fee or something. Um, you can also buy NFTs and store the NFTs in your wallet. So it's kind of cool. It's like if you have your wallet, you're like, hey, here's the assets I own. Here's the art that I own. It's really cool. Blockchain allows you to just take all of these assets with you, and you can just be like, look at these paintings I have, or these collectibles, and it's a really interesting space. It's like carrying your whole baseball card collection. And while it's not for everybody, a lot of people like me like physical assets, but you really can't tote all of your baseball cards or your collections of paintings and all this stuff around with you. So your game skins, and I could just see this being massive. You could have your title of your house as an NFT maybe someday in your wallet, and you could be like, look, this had 4 previous owners. The builder of the house gets royalties every time the house sold. NFTs allow you to collect the owner or the originator of it to collect every time it's sold. NFTs are enormous in my opinion. Like I think like not Ticketmaster, Live Nation or something. They could issue tickets. They could get rid of the whole scalping industry. Have you ever gone online and tried to buy tickets for an event and then you can't get them because people just bought up all the Grateful Dead tickets? They could make it to where if you could buy a ticket, but you would have very high fees. Like the owner could buy the ticket, but the person you're selling it to would have extremely high fees to buy it a second hand. Um, they could have some disincentive system to selling the ticket. So if there was I guess if I bought up all these tickets for a concert, but then there was some extremely high fee or something, people are going to want to buy the tickets off of me. So it creates this disincentive of people to buy and hoard tickets because nobody's going to want to buy it from them because they had to pay they're paying an absorbent amount of money back to Live Nation to be able to sell them secondhand. I think Mark Cuban was talking about the Dallas Mavericks and how they could issue tickets and disincentivize uh, fans from selling their tickets and create this incentive system to where it's more fans that show up at their games, not just people hawking tickets and stuff. So, I mean, listen to Mark Cuban talk about NFTs, and I think he really sees beyond the hype and beyond a lot of the stuff. I don't think people get it, the implications of it. I think there is a bit of craziness out there in NFTs right now, but the long term implications. Mark Cuban, Gary Vaynerchuk. Look up those 2 people and what they're talking about right now, and they see where this could go and how everything in the economy could be tokenized at some point. Whether it's NFT or fungible token or community tokens, and this whole concept. And guess what? Coinbase is a pick and shovel to play this whole space. So that's why I'm really excited about this company. And it's really one of the few ways to invest in this right now. There will be more in the future, and diversify. Get in maybe into Gemini or Kraken, maybe some Bitcoin miners, different tokens. Definitely Ethereum and Bitcoin. I say start with Bitcoin and Ethereum and build out as your knowledge builds, because the risk curve goes up as you get further out from Bitcoin and Ethereum. And this is probably lower risk than Bitcoin and Ethereum, just because it kind of aggregates all of it together. So you got all these different assets. Let's see. Yeah, you can earn up to $36 worth of crypto just by doing a lot of that education stuff. More cryptos. Yeah, you see all the different ones that Coinbase has. They don't just carry anything, but they do carefully curate what they do carry. And they give you a good explanation as to what they do. Decentraland, NFT, Metaverse. This lets you mint synthetic assets, the commodities that go back to